after COVID, the skin has become really dull and very dry, or you see a lot of changes in your skin post COVID. So why is it really happening, and how can we really manage that thing? Kindly enlighten us for that.
So, first of all, I would like to say that it is not only COVID which causes changes in the skin, hair, and nail after recovery. In fact, any illness which goes on for more than, let's say, 7 to 10 days or 14 days, and which causes psychological, physical, or social distress to the patient, can lead to skin, hair, and nail changes. So it is not specific for COVID, but yes, because of the magnitude at which COVID is occurring, these changes have become relatively very common. Some are very, very mild changes, and some are very, very severe changes, ranging from simple localized itching or irritation to mucormycosis, which is a very dreadful complication nowadays. So they can be variable in severity, they can be variable in presentation, but yes, they have become more common after the in this pandemic era. And patients are even, in fact, half of my OPD is composed of post COVID patients nowadays who come for some or the other thing. Either they have post-COVID skin changes, or they have COVID, they have changes due to the use of the side effects of the medicines used for COVID, or they have hair and nail changes.
Yes, and Dr. Navjo, there are a lot of people who are getting acne. I mean, it is
Yes, I will also
very common with, yes,
very,
yes,
very
yes. So I
helpful.
would want, yeah, yeah.
So let's start with the important things, that why are skin, hair, and nail changes occurring in COVID, or why do they occur after any illness? So first of all, as we all know, COVID is a special viral illness. Special in the means it is the only viral illness nowadays in which we have to prescribe steroids after 6 to 7 days of illness. But yes, we have to prescribe steroids. Now, why do we have to prescribe steroids? We don't prescribe steroids in other viral illnesses. In fact, steroids are contraindicated whenever a patient has viral fever or a viral pneumonia. Steroids are contraindicated. Steroids are only given when patient has recovered completely to prevent the bronchitis and allergic cough and everything, and that too very rarely. So this is the crux, that steroids are given because COVID, apart from being a viral infection, also stimulates an immunogenic cascade in the body. That is an and over over immune reaction in the body, allergic reaction in the body, which also damages the lung. As we all know that the lung damage is reversed by steroids. So the steroids are used to reverse the lung damage, and this lung damage is not caused only by the virus, but this virus, which stimulates the hyperimmune process of the body, this causes the lung damage. And this is where the various skin reactions also occur. So the virus itself does not cause any of the skin issues. There are different types of mechanisms for causing the skin issues. The most common mechanism is this hyperimmune process occurring with this viral illness. For example, most of the patients during the viral illness or just after the viral illness developed itching all over the body. It can be in the form of a generalized red rash, which is known as maculopapular exanthum, or in the form of red rashes which keep on coming and going. These are known as urticaria. हिंदी में इनको दाफड़ कह देते हैं, इनको जलकुत्ती कह देते हैं, and these can also cause a lot of distress to the patient. So these are common allergic reactions which are occurring either immediately post COVID or even during the COVID illness. The patients are
Yes.
having these problems. They can be due to the, I already said, hyperimmune process caused by the COVID, or due to the side effects of the different types of medicines like antibiotics or steroids. Now, the second thing which we are seeing very commonly is during the COVID, patients have a condition which is known as COVID toes. Now, it was initially in the first wave of the pandemic, it was seen commonly. However, in the second wave, this condition has somehow not shown that much because of the initial use of steroids in this second wave. So in the first wave, steroids were not that commonly used in the initial viral infection. But now, within 5 to 7 days, we are just after the 5 to 7 days of illness, we are now using steroids. Now, why does this COVID toes happen? COVID toes happen because of again of the immunogenic potential of this virus. That the immune cascades get deposited into the small blood vessels of the toes of the patients. टोज मीन्स हमारे पैर की जो उंगलियां होती है, पैर की जो अंगूठा होता है, वहाँ की जो छोटी छोटी खून की नसें होती हैं, वहां पर जाके इम्यून कैस्केड जमा हो जाते हैं, वहां पे छोटी छोटी ब्लड वेसल्स को ब्लॉक कर देते हैं और वहां पे उनके टोज नीले, काले या लाल पड़ जाते हैं, which sometimes can even lead to complications in the form of infection and gangrene, but mostly they are reversible.